Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable file uploads using AWS S3 with no-code apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable file uploads using AWS S3 with no-code apps, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service from the list of available services. Click on Create Bucket to start setting up your storage location. Choose a unique name for your bucket. It must be globally unique. Select the region where you want your bucket to reside. Click Create to finalize the bucket creation. Once your bucket is created, go to the Permissions tab. Disable Block all public access if you want to allow public uploads. Consider setting specific permissions based on your requirements. Next, navigate to the CORS Configurations section. Add a CORS rule to allow specified origins for your uploads. This typically involves setting allowed origin to your app's URL. Set allowed methods to include put and post for uploading files. Save the CORS configuration after you finish editing. Now, switch to your no-code platform, such as Bubble or Atalo. Find the plugin or integration section related to AWS S3. Install the appropriate plugin that allows S3 interactions. Enter your AWS credentials and the bucket name you created. Follow the plugin's documentation for configuring file upload workflows. Make sure to test the file upload functionality in your app. Check if files are successfully saved to your S3 bucket. If there are issues, revisit the permissions and CORS settings in AWS. Ensure that your no-code app is properly configured to connect to AWS S3. Finally, conduct a few test uploads from different devices. Monitor your S3 bucket to confirm all files are stored securely. This completes the setup for enabling file uploads using AWS S3 with no-code apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.